If, for any reason, you need to remove the encryption, the process is quite simple. Unfortunately, there is no toggle to turn off encryption for an existing conversation. First, it's crucial to understand that end-to-end encrypted chats are exclusive to secret conversations. To initiate a secret conversation, you typically go to the person's profile within Messenger and select Go to Secret Conversation. The direct way to remove end-to-end encryption is to opt out of the secret conversation feature. Instead, you need to delete the current secret conversation and start a new chat in the regular non-secret mode. To delete a secret conversation, swipe left on a secret chat and tap on the three dots to open a pop-up menu. Here, tap on Delete and confirm your action if prompted. The selected secret conversation will be deleted. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so ensure that you saved any important information elsewhere before deleting it. After deleting the secret conversation, go back to your Messenger home screen. Search for the person you were chatting with and open a new chat with them as you normally would. This new conversation will not have end-to-end encryption enabled, allowing for a standard chat experience. It's important to note that while removing encryption can make certain features more accessible, like accessing messages from multiple devices, it also means that your messages are no longer protected by the highest level of privacy offered by Messenger.